Clarence and Joe, TNT, Standard Run, Friday, April 21st, and we're off. Keep the connection. Good job. Good boy. What a happy boy. Look at that tail. Clarence, don't get any of your own ideas. Stay with Joe. Good job. Show us your weaves. Show us your weaves. Well, there goes the double Q.
Talking to Sammy too.
He probably needed to co-weave a bit earlier. Clarence likes to have free-range sections, and there's not a lot of free-range sections here. Good job. 54.96.